Yan po ang aming pupuntahan. Stanley Park tayo sa mga kids. Wow. Yes. Wow. Wait lang, Alan, dyan. Hindi ka pa nakababa na? Kailangan mo munang bumaba bago makita lahat. Wow, Alan dyan. I love it. Ang daming tao, oh. Uy, ang daming kumukuha ng picture-picture, Alan dyan.
It was revealed this week that she told her at some point that she wasn't sexy enough to be on The Voice because they were looking for someone like a Rihanna type. And that
Nice one.
fit that. Needless to say,
Tayo, anak. Wow. Yan na, yay.
daytime Emmys, and she's got a Vegas residency. She's living her best life in New York and at Killer Alamo. So I think she's winning in this. And also, he looks like a thumb. Just throwing that out there.
Oh, ganda dun, ah.
David Guetta and Bibi Rexha.
Iikot lang tayo tapos tingin ka
Oo.
saan mo gusto mo. Ito, pwede pag summertime mga tao.
Oh, nagbabike. Magbabike na tayo, Alan dyan. You know? You know, Alan dyan, when I'm still single, I experienced that.
I buy, Daddy, you buy perfume.
Oo, ngayon, ang kasama namin ni Daddy kayo na. Best friend na namin kayo. You know, Mommy and
Daddy,
Daddy?
you buy free. Daddy.
So when you grow up, Alan dyan, you will always remember what Mommy and Daddy do to you, okay? Yan. Oh, nice one.
Yan.
Oh, ganda.
Ano ito? Diba? Mas masarap. Relaxing, you know, we're only in our car, you know. Kasi yung lakad.
Oh, ganda oh.
Yan. Marami ba yan? Relaxing.
Mommy.
Po.
Not either pork. I like it.
You like what? Oh, daming naglalakad oh.
Oo, lakad sila. Tayo naka-car.
Nga.
Yeah, dahan-dahan na ano, ikot-ikot.
Oh, ganda doon.
Yes!
Pwede ka mag-istapata doon.
Yeah, meron na space doon. There's a space for, you know.
Oh, ganda ng building doon, Daddy.
Yeah. Maganda. Yun yung Canada Place.
Ang ganda ng Canada.
Canada Place.
Oh, nga yung pinunta natin. Oh.
See?
Ayan no, ang dami ng tao dito. Nice man dito. Oh, dito tayo magpa-park. Dito tayo mag-i-snack. Wow! Yeah?
Kids war.
Yes?
No, this is not.
Nice one. Uy. Naku, may matanda na oh.
Daddy, there have something in there.
Nakabaston na.
Yeah.
Let's go in there.
That's a totem pole.
Daddy, what is that?
Ito. Malapit
Oh,
na
nice
tayong
one.
park sa ano.
Where's the beach?
Park.
95 free track.
Dito kami nagre-racing nung bata kami.
Little air and even
Wow.
Ito yung
nice one.
race